Well, my daughter was at school and she was standing in not really, kind of like an auditorium area with her teacher. She was next to her teacher. There's nothing going on with the bleachers or anything, and they were just standing like on the side, and the beam or rail fell on her out of nowhere. Yeah, it was tough. She's been, she still hurts and goes through it, but. Well, I was with Morgan & Morgan because they just, it was the first thing, and they dropped us after almost 2 years. It was so devastating, especially for my daughter. It's not like she was out trying to get rich or anything, and then I searched on Google and found you guys, read the reviews, and you guys have been amazing. Amazing, yeah. It was great. Like any call or any kind of concern or any questions that I had, Victoria and Roberta, they've all been amazing. They return our calls. They keep me updated. They call me when I wasn't expecting, They've on point, always called, let me know everything step by step, what was going on. Never left any information out. I was never confused or anything, and if I were, they were there to, enlighten me and make everything make sense. I mean, they even talked to my daughter and, answered her questions and all the things. It was really a help when you're in such a hard place. They made it a lot better for her and myself. Absolutely, 100%. I would definitely recommend Brooks Law Group for sure. Finding somebody that actually cares, it was nice, amazing.